Today I will be showing you my railroad crossing with train in it. I think this is one of my best drawings I made so far. So I made a double-decker railroad crossing and a normal one with two gates on it. I kind of messed up the pattern on this one, though. I'm sorry. I even did the red dots on the top of the gate. It has X's. The double-decker crossing has another set of lights on this bar. It has this rail. The gas tank on this DNI train. In that state, I customized that state into these trains. Comment down below what the name of the train is so I can know. I have 6 wheels, and I think that is it. This was really a I almost forgot something. It even has the back of the gates. Now, I really hope you subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what that train name is, and click that bell. Now, I'm going to say bye-bye.